Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to rename a site in Google Sites. This is the example of the website that I will show you how to rename a site on. As you see here, it was called NYC Pizza in the web address. Same thing for the website logo. It uses this text logo called NYC Pizza, and here in this big title. To rename this site, simply go to sites.google.com, then click on the site you want to rename. As you see here, let's start with the logo. So the logo is the easiest one. Just double click it like that, and let's call it, for example, Baltimore Pizza. Same thing for this big title. Just double click the text and type your new name. Now let's see how to edit the site web address. So here, simply click on publish settings. Yes, publish settings. Let's reshow it. Next to publish, this publish button, click on this down arrow, then select publish settings. A new window pops up, and as you see here, my current web address is NYC Pizza, and I will change it to Baltimore Pizza, for example. Don't forget to click on this save button. Settings updated, and now let's view my new site. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Settings updated, and now let's view my new site. And as you see, now it says Baltimore Pizza. My bad, I forgot. And for the web address, it was renamed, but the logo and this big title, it was not changed because I forgot to hit this publish button. Click on publish, publish again. And now let's view the changes live. And as you see here, my new name is in the web address. The website logo name is changed, and same thing for this big title. And this is how to rename a site in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.